is KedmaOugh, your fellow small business superhero. I've been traveling. I was skiing in Vail, and I'm actually leaving Sunday for Paris, France, but I had to do a video. I miss you guys. So today I want to talk about leadership because it really amazes me with all the training out there, the videos, the articles, the lessons learned. We still have awful leaders. I don't get it. So I want to talk a little bit about my leadership style, and more importantly, I want to talk about the rules I bring into any environment that I'm working in, whether it's a project team environment and I'm leading, whether I'm being hired in and I've been given a new team or a team that's existed and I need to work with them. So here are my 4 rules. Number 1. There is to be no drama in the office. I'm pretty clear on that. I do not tolerate drama. I make sure it's part of the culture in our office or within our team. It doesn't mean that problems don't happen. It doesn't mean that life doesn't happen, but I will not and cannot and do not tolerate drama. Period. End of story. I expect a fun, exciting environment and a positive environment. Number 2. The weakest link brings us down. I'm pretty clear on that. So I tell my team that the weakest link will affect the entire team. It doesn't mean that we're not on a learning curve. It doesn't mean you don't get mentoring. It doesn't mean you don't get coaching. But I expect people to be bringing 100% or more. And if someone is bringing 50%, it will affect the team. Number 3. Work and life balance is absolutely necessary for high productivity. I am not a leader that expects people to work 45, 55, 65 hours a week. I think that's absolutely ridiculous, and I think there's a diminishing return on the actual work performance. So I expect my team to balance their life, to work through. If they're sick, they're sick. If they have family things, they have family things. They should be going on vacation. They don't get brownie points if they add up all their vacation and never use it. So I'm pretty clear that they have to have work-life balance because it makes them more productive. And number 4, happy employees equals happy clients. And my clients, first and foremost, are my employees, and I'm pretty clear with that. So when I think about leadership style, I would probably say that I fall under a transformational leadership style because I'm really focused on effective communication, creating an intellectual, stimulating environment. I'm definitely a blue sky thinker. So because of that, I like to surround myself around a lot of people who do details. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked it, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.